Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 on your laptop. First, ensure your laptop meets the game's minimum system requirements, which typically include a dual-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, and a dedicated graphics card with at least 1 GB of memory. Next, purchase and install the game from a digital storefront like Steam. Finally, decide on your control method, whether it's your keyboard, a gamepad, or a dedicated steering wheel setup. Now, let's dive into the essential driving controls. For keyboard users, the W key accelerates, S brakes, and ND steer your truck left and right. You'll also need to learn to manage your gears, turn on your headlights, and activate your wipers using various keybinds. Practicing parking your large vehicle and maneuvering through tight city streets is crucial for successful deliveries and avoiding costly damage. As you progress, you'll build your trucking empire. Start by accepting various delivery jobs across Europe to earn money and experience points. Use your earnings to purchase new, more powerful trucks and customize them with different engines, transmissions, and paint jobs. Eventually, you can expand your business by hiring other drivers to work for you and buying additional garages in new cities, significantly increasing your income. To truly enhance your Euro Truck Simulator 2 experience, consider a few advanced tips. Adjust your in-game graphics settings to find the perfect balance between smooth performance and stunning visuals, especially on a laptop. For ultimate immersion, a force feedback steering wheel can provide realistic road feel and truck handling. Don't forget to explore the vast community-created modifications, which offer new trucks, maps, and exciting gameplay features.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.